Welcome back to CodedChapter EP.03. Quick honest update before we start. Last video I forget about to cover pseudocode and comments, so I am covering this today first. I consider it a bonus from video episode 2. Today's main topic is conditions, and I'll be honest, this is so far the easiest video I find till today. I have seen one before. Now things starting connecting. So I missed this last time. Pseudocode. Pseudocode is basically planning our code before we implement it. Like we can say it plain English before executing what we are building. Like a rough draft. For example, before writing code, I might write, as you can see on screen, hash ask user for their age. If age is above 18, print you can vote. If not, print you cannot vote yet. See, not actual code, just my thinking write down. This is pseudocode. In Python, we use it. We write it using comments. The hash symbol is used to write a single line comment, and triple quotes are used to write a descriptive comment. The question is, why does this matter? Because when someone else reads your code, or even when you read your own code after 2 weeks or 3 weeks, comments explain what is happening, what you are building. Trust me, in future you will thank presenter for your writing comments. Okay, now man stuff, conditions. Let's take an example. If it is raining, you have to take umbrella, else not. Python thinks exactly the same way. See the example of conditions on the screen. For a student to check his grades according to the marks, if we set the condition for marks above 19, we give him the grade A. If he has scored grade less than 90, above 80, we give him grade B. If he has scored above 70, below 90, we give him grade C. And if he has scored below 90, we send a message, better luck next time. Python reads this top to bottom. First checks if score is 90 or even. If yes, done. If not, then it moves for 80. If not that, it moves down and starts from top to the bottom. Till then, condition is applied. It is clean, clear and logical. And today I also understand define function in a bit more convenient way. I can wrap a whole logic in my own function by using def. Like on screen, I have defined for the same grading my own grade system. Now I have my own reusable comment. That is the real power of def. Now to make conditions work, we use comparison operations. These are basically math symbols that compare two things, which are greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, double equal to. It is important, not equal to. One mistake that I made is equal to is not equal to, double equal to. Equal to is used to assign the value, and double equals is used to compare. Single versus double is easy to mix. We have not to confuse ourselves in this. Double equals is used for comparison, like if age is equal to 18, then we can print you are applicable to vote. It took me 1 minute to understand equals and comparison equal. One more thing that I forget is bug. Bug is the error that a developer, a programmer gets while coding. Till today, I face three bugs, which are synthetic error, I write something wrong, or Python does not understand this, or logical error, I wrote something wrong in logic, and code runtime error. The process of finding and fixing bugs is called debugging, and trust me, debugging is the every bug we fix teaches us something new. The CS50P Lecture 2 Conditions Comparison, Pseudocode, Comments and Bugs. Honestly, this lecture felt more comfortable than previous lecture. Things start to connect, and that feeling is genuinely motivating. Next video will be on loops, for loops, while loops, training my brain to think more. If you are following along with CS50P, drop a comment. Let's figure out it together. Like and subscribe if it helped. It cost you nothing, but it means everything to me, to this channel. See you in next video.